Hey there, this is Afan. I work for Katool Automotive Equipment. Over here we have our new offering, two-post lift. This is currently a prototype concept of ours. It's a fully adjustable two-post lift, so you can adjust the angle of the posts, you can adjust the height of each post, and you can even adjust the width between each post. This is going to be one of our new offerings. It's going to be 11,000 pounds. New two-post lift that we have. Here we have our T900. This is our tire changing machine, our largest tire changing machine we have for consumer vehicles, and it works on a center mount system. Here we have the KT880. This is our largest tire machine in the 800 series line. As you can see, it's a center post, so you can get quite large wheels on here. You don't have to worry about the clamps having limitations. And it comes with all these extra assist arms. You can see we have one. This is the main duck head right here. You got these roller arms right here. You can see right here, you're gonna have this little pinhole that goes into your plug. And then right here you have a little pad. And this is your actual cone that goes into the hub. So this is gonna be your clamp. This basically comes off, twists off, put the wheel on, put this inside, and this will basically tighten down and tighten the wheel down. Here we are, we got the KT308 right here. This is for our heavy duty trucks. As you can see, most 18-wheelers, those kind of tires, the very large tires. So yeah, this is for that. It comes with a whole stand, as you can see back here. Here's our KT795. This is a heavy-duty truck tire balancer, so you can change your tires with that machine over there, and then over here, you can balance the wheels as soon as you're done. Here we go, we got the KT4H950. This one's going to be 9,500 pound capacity, 4-post lift.
Sensor calibration machines yet.
Here we have our AKX99. This is a 7,700 pound lift capacity full rise scissor lift. It's our largest scissor lift that we offer right now. And as you can see right here, I'm about 5'11", so you can easily get a car underneath here and still be standing. And the nice thing about scissor lifts is that they lay flat on the ground, or relatively flat, so you can get this in a garage. They're not too long, and you can drive over them, you can walk over them, no problem.
There's no center stuff that there's no beams or posts or anything. It's a little annoying on something like that.
So here we have our AC2100. This is a recharge recycle machine for AC. Works both with 2100 and 1800. So all your types, 1, 2, 3, 4 YF and 1, 3, 4 works with all types of coolant refrigerant. And then here we have the nitrogen machine. This is it's a nitrogen generator. So yeah, for nitrogen inflation or anything like that for tires. Here we have our rim straightener. You put the rim on there, get it all tightened up, and it'll straighten all your rims, any dents, any cracks, anything like that. This will take care of it. And over here, this is the rim polisher. So you can see there's a rim going in there right now. Put it in there for about, depends on how grimy the rim is, anywhere from like 6 to 30 minutes. Just let it run and you get a nice shiny wheel. So all of our equipment comes with a 1-year warranty on all parts, and 3-year warranty if you have any of our lifts, any of our scissor lifts, 2-post lifts, 4-post lifts. You get a 3-year warranty on top of the 1-year warranty for any sort of major welds, major posts, ramps, anything like that. That gets covered for 3 years. But every product that you see over here and on our website comes with a 1-year warranty on all parts. Everything's covered. Yep, parts are all available. If you have any sort of issues, we have a tech support link. Feel free to fill that out. Send us a few pictures, and we'll get those parts sent out to you as soon as possible.